Hello YouTube, I'm Doug. This is Trash Panda Off-Road. Today's video is of me running the Tough Truck course at the Clark County Fair in my 1989 Geo Tracker. On this channel there'll be a video from last year's event where I ran a 96 Suzuki Sidekick. The difference in these two videos, besides the year in the car, this time I was able to get two angles. So not only are you going to be able to see the video from the grandstands, but the second half of the video is a passenger view. I was able to get the camera right where the passenger's head would be, and you'll see what it's like to actually sit in the passenger seat as we run the course in the Geo Tracker.
Power in this 1989 Geo Tracker out of Warren, Oregon. 41-year-old Douglas. Hard.
That thing's got a whopping 84 horsepower.
I let the dog down. Little bit of air. Put it together, Douglas. Hard.
36-32. 36-32.